Hey and welcome to Alpha. This is a beginner friendly video for pocket option binary option trading, and I will show you the easiest way you can start trading today and make money today. First of all, check out the link below the video if you want to join up also and start with trading at this broker. By using my link, that is the first link that you find below the video, you get 50% if you deposit more than $100. And also, if you have accounts from before, you have the option of withdraw your money and then deposit again by using my link, and you can get 50% extra. Because here is the thing: close your account, okay, and reopen with a new email. Then you can get 50% extra on top of your money. So why not? Now let's go over and I will show you how easy it is. Basically what you do, you go here, you make sure you take the best one, then you wait, push this IA button here. Let's take a $100 trade, push here. He will basically automatically give you the best trade. If we lose, we go in again. Let's take a $210. Now we lost, go in again. Then we take a 450. If we lose, let's see, 5. And in there we won. If we then go to close the trades, you see we are used 310, so we made $90 just like that. That's how easy you can make money with that. So have an amazing day.